Next one is formula method. In fact, formula method also we are deriving with the help of completing the square method. Every time you are doing these many steps and after that you get it value, but it's taking more time, no? That's why you need to know the formula method. Okay, what are the roots of the general equation, general quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0? This we are doing x values. We are finding x values with the help of completing the square method. And which one we have to use it? Two methods we have now. What are those? Fourier method and as usual method. Which one? I am using Fourier method because it is very easy. That's why. Okay. Everything is easy, but it is better to do it well in time. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then what we have to do it? Entire equation we must multiply with 4a. 4a is nothing but a 4 into x square coefficient. What is the x square coefficient? Here a only. Means multiply with 4a only. So 4a of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 4a into 0. Now you multiply with 4a. 4a into a. 4a square x square plus 4a into bx. 4abx plus 4a into c. 4ac equal to 0. Again we have to change in. We have to change in completing the square method. We have to change in whole square form. Then what we have to do it? A square plus 2ab plus b square. What is the a value? Can you guess it? Yes, 4 is nothing but a 2 square. A whole square is nothing but ax. Now what is the a value? First bracket is nothing but a 2ax. Now your challenging step, you got it. What is the value you can get in this bracket? Yes, 2 2s are 4 is there, a is there, x is there, then b is not there. So you multiply entire these three terms, definitely will get it. 2 2s are 4, a, b, x. Now what is the value in place of b? B only. So b square, it is extra term, no? Immediately you have to do minus b whole square plus 4ac equal to 0. Now a plus b whole square. Say now 2ax plus b whole square is equal to, send these terms that side, b square minus 4ac. Square is going that side, you will get it root plus or minus root b square minus. This is c, not a x. Okay, b square minus 4ac. Now 2ax is equal to plus b transpose right side minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac. Now x is equal to 2a into, no, send that side by minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac whole by 2a. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So one x value is minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Another x plus or minus. One value is minus b plus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Another root is minus b minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. These are the two values. By using this formula, easily we can find out x values are nothing but a roots of a given quadratic equation. So same problem, do it by using this formula. X square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. What is the x square coefficient? A value is 1. What is the x coefficient? B, that is minus 5. What is the constant? C, 6. So x equal to minus b, minus of minus 5 plus root over b square means minus 5 whole square minus 4ac by 2a. A is nothing but a 1. Substitute that values, you will get it now. Say now. Minus into minus, plus 5 plus or minus, directly you take it, 5 square 25 minus 24 whole by 2, that is equal to 5 plus or minus root 1 by 2. Do you know root 1 value? 1 only, no? So then what will get? 5 plus 1 by 2 comma 5 minus 1 by 2. So you will get it 5 plus 1, 6 by 2 comma 4 by 2. What are your values? 3 comma 2.